Now see, it's a really tragic incident, and this kind of incident is not at all expected, but it happens sometimes, and it is bad luck. And till now, according to our report, almost 8 people died till now, and almost 47 people are injured. Injury among the injured people, 4 are little bit critical, I think. So others are quite stable. So we hope that no more casualty happen, and it's a real, till now the observations from the different officials or the preliminary investigation what came out, according to them, it is due to the human error. So I have talked to the Honorable Railway Minister as well as the DRM of this region. Around 12 o'clock at night, this route will be operational, I feel. So it's a sorry incident, and we are with those people, those have lost their dearest ones.
Is there any compensation declared by the government?
Already it has been declared that the railway will give the 10 lakh rupees as a compensation. Along with that, from PM Relief Fund, PM has announced 2 lakh rupees to each. So altogether they will get 12 lakh rupees. So it is not, it cannot be, death cannot be compensated with this rupees, but at least those people, they have lost their single earning member. For them, it will be some kind of relief.
So Mamata Banerjee here in Siliguri and visited North Bengal Medical College and Hospital. So what's your reaction regarding this?
She is always welcome to visit the spot as well as the hospital, but I think at this moment at least, she should be away from the politics. But as I have forecast in the morning, that she will start the politics, and that's happened.
Do she doing politics?
Yes, just in every aspect. She knows only thing that is politics. So that's why she is not much more concerned about the political angle, political view, these things.
Sir, Mamata Banerjee also raises fingers on the security aspect of the railway.
The railway has the pivotal thrust on the security only. So most of our emphasis on the security, and we have also implementing this Kavach, but it will take some time. It is not a so simple thing that you have some kind of electric bulb, you just add it and it will start functioning. It is not such a way. It is not such easy. It's a complicated mechanical instrument. You need time as well as money for it. So in case of money, we don't have any scarcity. Government is putting so much of money in case of railways. But the thing is that as it is a complicated system, it takes some time. So we have to be patient. But within few years, I think, or maybe months, we will be able to complete the whole country, because it's a huge network. It's not some 100 of kilometers.
Just to do politics.
Yes, ask her na. Ask her. She claimed that today that she has implemented this Kavach or anti-collision device first time in this country. So ask her, during her tenure, when she was the rail minister, how many anti-collision device was installed?